Hi everyone, Steve again here at the Solutions Academy at Warwick. On today's Training Tuesday, I'm going to be showing you the essential wiring for the new air source heat pump HP60. When it comes to wiring, first things first, we need to run our main supply cable from the rotary isolator to the outdoor unit. Next up, we take the supply cable round into the far left grommet and we connect our brown, our blue and our earth into our live, neutral and earth points here. So we've got a brown cable going into the live point here. Connect that in. Make sure it's nice and tight. Got the blue cable going into the neutral point. And we've got the green and yellow going into it here. Finally, we make sure that we've secured the cable to the casing by screwing it in at either side, nice and tightly. Now, for the 4 and the 6 kilowatt units, we need a 2.5mm cable. For the 8 kilowatt unit, we need a 4mm cable, and for the 11 and 13 kilowatt units, we need a 6mm cable. Next, we need to provide communication between the outdoor unit and the indoor unit, and we connect in where we've got X, Y, and E down the bottom right here, and we need to provide shielded cable communication from the points here to the indoor unit. So cable coming in, clamping here, and connecting where we've got X, Y, and E, corresponding to our X, Y, and E from the outdoor unit. So we've demonstrated how to wire the outdoor unit and how to connect the outdoor unit to the indoor unit. For more information on how to wire the pre-plumb cylinder, watch this video. Today we've demonstrated the essential wiring for the new Baxi HP60. For more information, contact your local ASM or go to baxi.co.uk/training.